Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about dispersion of white light by a glass prism in details. And this phenomena is known as dispersion of light. It is known as dispersion of light. See, you have studied about reflection of light, where light strikes a smooth, well-polished surface, it bounces back, and what you can see is your image formed in the mirror, and that's smooth polished surface is known as mirror. And then you studied about refraction of light. Refraction of light is just an optical illusion, because the light changes its path, and that's why this illusion happens. Remember, I showed you a pencil dipped in a glass of water. It was seeming as if the pencil is broken when you viewed it from water, right? So similarly, there's other phenomena also, that is dispersion of light. You can see dispersion of light using this prism. Actually, what happens when you will stand with this prism in adequate sunlight, then what is going to happen? Sunlight, which is also known as white light, that will fall on its surfaces. Suppose this is here, the sunlight is falling, okay, and you are viewing it from here. So what you will see a beautiful spectrum of 7 colors, just like a rainbow. You all must have seen, I think, the spectrum emerging out from your scales, the transparent scales, rulers that you use. You must have seen that. Whenever we are standing with this object in sunlight, then we see that the sunlight dissociates itself into 7 colors, beautiful spectrum we observe, and that spectrum is known as Vibgyor. Just like the colors of the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So what basically happens, that whenever this sunlight strikes here and emerges as Vibgyor from here, the first color from bottom will be violet, second is indigo, and hence the sequence goes on, and the last color is red. So from bottom the first color is violet. So this clearly means that sunlight has dissociated itself, and all the component colors have deviated. So इससे पता चला कि सबसे कम deviate हुआ red color, because it is lying on the top, almost somehow parallel to that ray which was incident. So red color is lying on the top. This means it deviated the least, and violet has deviated the most. Okay, so violet color has deviated the most, whereas red color has deviated the least. And from this experiment you can always say that white light is made up of 7 colors, Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So it is comprised of 7 colors. This experiment is showing us. So this means if these 7 colors are emerging and you will place one more prism in an inverted manner, let me tell you how. Suppose you have a prism here and sunlight just was incident over this glass prism, and what did you see? You saw that the sunlight has dissociated itself into 7 components, 7 colors, and we can see the absolutely beautiful spectrum. So if these 7 colors are emerging out from one prism, and you will keep a second prism, inverted one, like this, towards these in front of these 7 colors, तो ये 7 colors को reunite होके फिर आपको white light देना चाहिए, because white light is made up of 7 colors, and these 7 colors unite back to give you white light, and that actually happens. So this is known as recombination of the spectrums so as to give the white light. And Now we are going to discuss the cause of dispersion of light. What can be the possible cause for dispersion? Like why white light splits up into 7 colors when it passes through a prism? The reason being, see, white light is made up of 7 colors already, and all those 7 colors have same velocities in vacuum, in air. So that's why when they move with same velocity, we cannot distinguish. Like this is white light, suppose a beam of white light, and when 7 colors are going simultaneously with same velocities, same speeds, and they are moving together, so what we see, we just see white color. And this happens, you can verify this also, when something is very fastly moving in front of you, you are not able to distinguish the colors. Okay, when something moves with a speed of light 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second, so you will not be able to distinguish between the colors. So what you will see, you will just see a white spot moving, right? But when that white light goes into the prism is glass is ऑप्टिकली डेंसर मीडियम, जिसके अंदर जाते ही लाइट की स्पीड स्लो हो जाती है. एक्चुअली में वाइट लाइट ट्रैवल नहीं कर रही होती, 7 कलर्स आर ट्रैवलिंग टुगेदर and they are traveling so fast that our eyes cannot distinguish the colors that are traveling together simultaneously. So what happens, so when and remember, white light is the name given to sunlight. Okay, so when it goes like this and ultimately we see 7 colors, the reason is those 7 colors that are there in white light, they have different velocities in different mediums. As an example, you know that absolute refractive index n or mu, whatever you would like to represent it with, so that is equal to velocity of light in vacuum divided by velocity of light in a medium. So abhi hoga kya, if the velocity for violet color is less than the velocity for red color, like if red light moves faster than the violet light, then what is going to happen? V for violet is less than V for red, so V can be written as N divided by C. V can be written take V here, take N here, it can be written as C by N. So V for violet can be written as C divided by N for violet. C तो सबके लिए सेम होता है, velocity of light in vacuum, and this can be written as C divided by N red. ये value है. Since N is equal to C by V, to take out the value of V, it will be C by N. Okay, and I have substituted it here. So 1 by N violet is less than 1 by N red, and hence N violet is greater than N red. You know what has just happened now? If I say you that 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 is something 0.5 and this is something 0.33, so 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2, ये तो है ना, you agree? लेकिन जैसे ही आप इस inequality के reciprocals लेते हो, so it will be 3 greater than 2. Is it clear to you? So every time when you are dealing with inequalities and when you take the reciprocal, this sign changes. As an example, I'll tell you, suppose you have 5 greater than 4, but if you will take reciprocals now and you will make it 1 by 5 and 1 by 4, so this sign will become less than, because 1 by 5 is 0.2 and 1 by 4 is it will be, you can solve it and find it out. but eventually when you see all the decimal places, you will find out that 1 by 5 is actually less than 1 by 4. So anyway, so what have we done? That since violet color moves with less velocity than red color, so its refractive index is more than the refractive index of red color. This means violet color जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा bend करेगा. Refractive index ज़्यादा होने का मतलब है how much the light will bend. So violet color will bend the most and red color will bend the least. So basically in this topic you have understood why dispersion is caused. ऐसा कैसे हो गया that all of a sudden white light just striked on a prism and immediately it has splitted into 7 colors. From where those 7 colors have come? So point number 1, white light is actually 7 colors traveling very fast, and they are traveling simultaneously, so that our eyes just see a white spot traveling, the sunlight traveling. Okay, and thereafter what happens? The 7 colors, when they go to glass, their speeds are different, and since their speeds are different, they will bend to the different manner, and that's how dispersion goes. Thank you.